To remove a CPU air cooler if installed in the unit, first remove the side cover. Detach the air cooler connector to the motherboard. Loosen the 4 captive Phillips No. 2 screws that secure the air cooler to the motherboard. Pull the CPU air cooler out of the unit. Clean the grease from the microprocessor. Clean the grease from the CPU air cooler if you will be reinstalling the same CPU air cooler later. To install a CPU air cooler into the PC, first apply thermal grease or a thermal pad to the CPU. Align the CPU air cooler carefully over the CPU, with the stencil of directional airflow on the air cooler pointing toward the top of the unit. Tighten the 4 Phillips No. 2 screws to secure the CPU air cooler in the unit. Replace the air cooler connector to the motherboard.